I think it would be quite simplistic to just reduce it to just a quantification in terms of millions. I dread to imagine or to put pen to paper right now to the actual total effect, because the domino effect on the economy and the actual infrastructure that will be needed to make, say, an island-wide testing of just one single technology is not small. But I think that is, I do believe for one, that is not the main plus of all this.
It is important because we're forging out money, 13,000 a month for the job Mrs. Mizzi is conducting in Shanghai.
I think you are I'll do. I think that is a very.
It boils down to money.
I think that is honestly something that you can do when we are in a political meeting, and that's something that I am willing to answer those sort of questions. I think that is not the way to behave in front of our foreign guests. But I'm
just asking a simple question.
Yes, it looked like a stupid question to our guests.
Okay, thanks. Thank you very much for insulting the journalists.
No, I'm not insulting the journalists. I'm saying, no, I don't think we should answer that, and you have all the opportunity in the world to do that.
At least, can you tell us how much jobs this investment
There will be
create?
an initial inlay of this office, which I believe is around 10 jobs.